Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to promote Redbubble products. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now, as you can see, I'm on Redbubble website as of the moment right now. So for you to be able to get onto this platform, you'll just need to search redbubble.com or just Redbubble onto your local browser. And if you're also wondering what Redbubble is all about, so this is actually an online platform where individuals can upload their own designs, artwork, or creative content to create a wide range of personalized product. So as you can see here, you could upload some t-shirts or some stickers or anything that you design. So this could also include some clothing, home decor, some phone cases, and more. So Redbubble operates on a print-on-demand model, meaning that when a customer places an order for a product featuring a particular design, Redbubble prints and ships the item directly to the customer. So creators earn a commission on each sale of their designs. So it provides a way for artists, designers, and creators to showcase and monetize their work without the need for inventory or production facilities, making it accessible for anyone with a creative flair to share their creations with a global audience. They offer worldwide shipping, wherein it is available as standard or express delivery. They also feature secure payments, wherein it is 100% secure payment with 256-bit SSL encryption, free return, exchange or money back guarantee for all orders, and local support with a 24/7 dedicated support. So, for you to be able to get started onto promoting your product onto Redbubble, you'll just need to create an account for that. So you have an option in here to log in and sign up. And if you don't have an account, just simply click on to sign up. So if you sign up as an artist in here, you can set up your shop, start selling your designs. So if you choose customer sign up, you can browse the marketplace and find your thing. So either way of this too. So you'll just need to choose the option that you want to do. But if you choose this one, you can still promote Redbubble products. So you'll just need to click onto artist sign up in here so that we can add in our design to promote it. Then after write in an email, add in your shop name, add in a password, and then you could also click onto this checkbox if you want them to email you special offers and artist news, and then simply click onto the sign up button. So if you already have an account, just simply click onto log in. Now here onto the login page, it will give you an option as well to continue with email or password. And if you've lost your password, simply click onto this, and by clicking onto login, you should agree to the user's agreement. Then let's go ahead and log in so that we'll get redirected on Redbubble's dashboard. Now right after, this is what Redbubble's website looks like, or the dashboard. Now for you to be able to get started onto adding your design, you can see in here the account or the account settings. You'll just need to simply click onto that. And then right after, there is actually an option for you to sell your art. So you'll just need to simply click onto that one as well. And then you'll get redirected onto the page wherein it gives you the steps to open your shop and start selling your art. So there are 3 steps for this. The first one is you need to create products. So these are the products that we're going to be promoting. So you'll need to upload your original and choose products. You could add at least 5 designs to get your shop ready for customer. Then right after, you could customize your shop to stand out. You could tell them your story and share your social links, such as adding a profile picture, a cover image, a social links, and a bio. Then right after, for you to be able to get paid with your designs, you need to verify your details so you can start selling. So let's start first onto creating a design in here. Just simply click onto that. So you'll get redirected onto this, wherein you could add a new work, and there are 2 options. So you could upload a new work, or you could just copy an existing work. You'll just need to manage portfolio onto setting and click onto copy. So all need to do is, I have a photo in here that I have created onto another platform. So you'll have an option to just simply drag it and drop it here onto the upload new work. So right after it is uploaded, you should be able to see the file or the image already in here. So there is an option for you to change the background color. And what you'll need to do is choose a language. So let's just head on to English in here. You could add in a title. So let's add in here pixel art of an astronaut. Then we'll add in skating. And as you can see, you could add in some tags in here. So we'll just need to simply add in a hashtag. Then we could also add in pixel art. Then you could add in a hashtag cute. So you could just customize this as per your liking. Let's add an astronaut. Let's add in skateboarding as well. So you could write up to 15 tags, and there are a 50 character limit per tag. So you should separate it per comma, and you should describe your content of your art. So let's just add in some comma in here. So these hashtags would be separated. You could also add in a quick description or share the story or meaning behind your artwork. So let's add in here. Then right after, you should be able to see some product reviews here onto the bottom part. So you could see your design on a t-shirt, on a bucket hat, on a sticker as well. So you could see the phone cases. So I kind of like this one. You could just simply click on enable that. You should also see it onto a mouse pad. You could enable that one onto a pillow or onto print cards and poster. Let's enable that. Clocks and many more. So just simply click onto enable if you want to enable this certain product. So we have this also onto a pin button, and right after you'll just need to scroll down, and here you should be able to see the advanced products, and here you'll need to select up to 2 media. Let's try to check design and illustration in here and digital art. Then right after should be able to see the default product in your shop. You can view this work, and is this immature content? No. And you should agree to Redbubble's user agreement, and then just simply save your work. And as you can see, the processing is already complete onto adding your work. And right after, you should be able to see already the different things that you have enabled earlier for your design. So you could also see the description and the hashtags that we have added. Now let's head on to the other platform that we're gonna use to promote the product or the Redbubble product. So we have here is Instagram. So Instagram is actually a popular social media platform where people share photos, videos with their followers. So it is widely used for personal and business purposes due to its visual nature. So we use this platform to promote Redbubble products because it will allow us to showcase our unique design to a large audience by creating engaging posts with appealing images of our Redbubble product. You could also use in some relevant hashtag so that we could reach potential customers interested in our projects. So you should go ahead and log in into your Instagram account in here. We'll just need to head onto instagram.com, and it gives you an option to type in your phone number, username or email, and your password so that you could log in. Or you could also log in using your Facebook in here. And if you don't have an account, you'll just need to simply click on the sign up. Now right after, here onto the left side, you should be able to see this plus button to create a post. So you'll just need to simply click onto that, and it should give you an option to drag the photos and videos in here. So what you'll need to do, you could also select from your computer. So you'll just need to save out the photo onto the product that you want to promote. So for example, we want to promote this spiral notebook. Download the image for this. Simply click onto this one in here, and this should be added onto your device. So let's open the file location for this one. And then what we'll need to do is just simply drag in the photo of our product in here. And then right after, just simply click on to next. Now you could also add in some filters or do some quick adjustments for your photo. Now the next thing that you'll need to do is to write in a caption. So for you to be able to write in a caption in here, what you should do best in here is to add in some hashtag. So we have your hashtag generator from Toolzoo. So you could just generate some hashtag for your Instagram account using a keyword. So let's just search in here Redbubble, and then we'll separate it through a comma in here cute, and then we'll add in pixel art, and then you could also add in notebook. Then right after, once we have this keywords in here, we'll just need to generate the hashtag, and it may take up to 30 seconds. You'll just need to wait for it. And here are the different hashtags that you have. So you'll just need to simply click onto the one that you like. So we're gonna click onto that, this cute one. And once you have already completed all of the hashtags that you want to add in onto your Instagram post, you'll just need to simply click onto this copy button, since you could see it here onto the right side. Click onto that, and once it is copied, just head back onto your Instagram post, write it as a caption, and you could just remove this created by Toolzoo, and you could also add in some quick description in here, and then you could add in a location, accessibility, and just simply click onto share. So you could do this option as well here onto the Redbubble. So you'll just need to simply click onto the share button in here. You have the option to share this to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Pinterest. So that's how easy you could promote a product from Redbubble onto Instagram. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just leave it onto the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.